Welcome to Friday Friendly Kitchen. Today in our recipe we are going to do the Arisi Thenga Payasam, or it is been called as coconut rice kheer or pudding or anything that you can say. In Hindi it's called Nariyal Chawal Kheer. So let us see how to be made, and especially in this month of Aadi. For the South Indians, for the month of Aadi means this month of April. During this time is an auspicious month for all Indians for celebration. Many kinds of celebration that takes place throughout the city, villages, and so on. So every Friday, kheer, payasam or pudding, it is made. So our first Friday video for this is the Arisi Thenga Payasam. So let's see how it is being made. And dear viewers, for the first part of we are going to do the payasam, so we need to roast the cashews and raisins. So for that I'll be using 1 tablespoon of ghee. So I'll start off by turning on the stove and also add on 1 tablespoon of ghee. As the ghee heats up, the pan and the ghee heats up, we will add the nuts and the raisins. As the unsalted butter or the ghee has been melted, so now we can add the cashew nuts and raisins, but I will wait for the cashew nuts to become a little roasted. Then after that I will add the raisins. As the cashews are starting to change the color, and now we can add the raisins, and we will remove promptly as the raisins plumps up. As the raisins has plumped up, now we can put this in the back burner. Our next step is to melt the sugar. So we will add some water, about 1/8 cup of water, and also I have 1/8 cup of sugar, and also 1/4 cup of jaggery. So we will add all together, and to have the flavor to be better, so we will add a little bit of sugar, a pinch or two, a pinch will do, and let the jaggery melt. So with that we just rock it out, shake it up a little bit and let it melt. And so let it melt slowly, and we will wait for the next step. As our sugar is also melted and also dissolved, and now we can remove this and put it on the side. This is ready, so now we are ready to make the payasam. Our next step is to grind this rice. I have soaked this rice, and we just need to grind it to a coarse paste, and also the coconut, and let us grind this to a coarse paste. And dear viewers, the rice and the coconut has been grounded, and now we will use this to make the payasam. To begin this payasam, so we need to heat up the wok, and then after that we will add the grounded rice and coconut. And dear viewers, now we can add the grounded coconut and rice. I'm just making a small quantity, is for a demonstration, and you can double it up or triple it up, the recipe, which is an interesting sweet payasam or sweet pudding or sweet soup. And at this point is the crucial point, so we have to be very fast, and we have to continuously use a whisk, and also continuously cook it, stir it, because if not it will catch. The bottom will start to catch. And at this point, as it thickens, now we can add the sugar. And continue whisking until all the lumps are broken down. As the sugar, coconut and rice has thickened up, so now we can add a cup of milk, and also continue mixing it down, and make sure that all the rice, sugar and milk mix up well without any lumps. and eventually it will thicken up, but not as very thick, but it will thicken up. So we will let it boil and also let it thicken up. And dear viewers, now the payasam is kind of ready. At this time we can add the cardamom powder and give it a quick mix. And also we will add the my secret ingredients, which is the Cooking Champor, a little bit, just for the flavoring of the payasam, and give it a quick mix. And at this point our payasam is ready, and now we can remove it. And if you want, you can add a little bit of ghee, and I think I will add some, maybe a teaspoon of ghee, which will taste better. And our payasam is ready. And this can be placed at the back burner and transfer it to a different bowl immediately. Half teaspoon of rose water. Give it a quick mix. We will now do the serving suggestions. Followed by rose petals. And also the roasted cashews and raisins. And here we go, dear viewers, our payasam, the coconut rice payasam, or we could also add anything you want. And thank you very much for watching this video. So this is how the coconut rice payasam is being made, and since we are already in the month of Aadi, every Friday there will be a payasam will be made as a tradition. So now the first payasam for the first Friday is coconut rice payasam, or Arisi Thenga payasam in Tamil. So I hope you will enjoy this and you will try this in your home. And I wish very much for this month and all those who are celebrating month of Aadi, or the April month for the Indian calendar. And so I wish you a happy month of Aadi. And so for those who are with me, thank you very much for staying with me. And for those who are new, please like the video, share and subscribe if you wish. So and I will be providing a lot of new contents, and if you can check my scroll, that I have 200 over videos, and you can check and you can try them out. And also I wish everyone a good day and happy celebration for the month of Aadi. And so this can be also served as a prasad for for those who are Hindus and for their deities. And so with minimal ingredients and easy to be made. And so I have shown everything to you, so I hope you will try. Signing off, Friday Friendly Kitchen. And also, I do not know what am I going to present the next, but I'll be coming up with something new. See you soon. Bye.